Again, look over the problem set. This particular code's Newton's method applies to a problem in the problem set. But just type it in, reset. F of x equals x raised to the power 8 minus x. And then I'm getting g of x. I'll go back over the notes in a second, by the way, is equal to the derivative of f with respect to x. And then n of x, that's Newton's method, by the way, is equal to, let's see, x minus g of x divided by the derivative of g with respect to x. And then we take an initial guess, x equals 4.0. Again, I'll go back over the notes in a second. And then I start applying Newton's method, x equals n, and it's going to be n evaluated at the x I just assigned to be 4, but I do want to display the x, and that gives me a change. So it goes from 4 to 3.3. Up arrow again to pull back to prior command. A slight change, but it did change. Let's see, I'm going to say a slight change, but it did change. A slight change, but it did change. A slight change, but it did change. I'm looking at this now. It appears to not have changed, by the way. So again, you can keep doing this over and over again, and you get the same number over and over again. And all I did now is I did f evaluated at the value x. And what does that give us? It gives us this number over here. Let's go back over the notes, because a lot of times these things out of context don't make any sense. Why would you have done that? Let me tell you why I've done that. It was this problem over here. It says try to maximize this over here. And again, part of it is just understanding what you just read, maximizing this thing over here with this, what are you maximizing x to the y, given the fact that x plus y equals 8. And again, we went through the video explanation of that. We went through the paper and pencil work, certainly in the video, by the way, of setting up Newton's method. And again, it's really the same thing. We're getting a number over here. And again, someone says, what number did you get? We got this number over here. And again, I'm not going to say it was an easy question. I also want to point out, you may want to go back and read about that OpenAI business. They sound quite intelligent. There's no doubt about it. They're quite good with language, by the way, and they know a lot. There's no doubt about it. They speak at a very high level. But again, I think Newton's method really did prove to be quite successful in that problem. Thank you.